Buddhist brothers, I'll explain exactly what happened. I don't agree with what you're doing, but I'll still explain because I'm fighting for honor. I am not a gang member as you might think. I don't belong to any gang or organized crime. I hang out by myself and I try to transcend. And I know you, when I disrespect a Buddha, some of you are mad. And at the same time, there's also new age guys that try to use things like that, if you get what I mean. Think martial arts warfare, how it applies in the political world and how it plays out, specifically in our current political climate with a bunch of indignant foes and adversaries and villains that don't like people like me and you coming together, fighting for honor. So what do? They have successfully turned all of you against me. I'm not just saying what I'm saying because, I'm mad. I want you all to feel the hatred that I feel when they had turned us against each other. I want you to be forced to look into what's going on. There's a problem with the race relations. I want you to feel it in your heart, brothers. I want you to stop being so damn complacent. Those snakes in your temple are going to swallow your children as well as mine. It starts with the dark, and then they go shade by shade until there's nothing but white. You think I'm not right, don't you? That's how it's going to go. And everyone, they're going to mix together, and the multiculturalism will be their servant class until they're of no use anymore. You were dismissed. You know how the corporations give you your papers? You know that you're fired after you give them all your loyalty and your heart? Come on, man. You know I'm a good man. I'm sorry. I'm so damn sorry I came at you guys that way. But your depiction of Buddha to me is racist. And I don't mean to start any shit about it. But I do believe Buddha goes back to Indians. And I do believe there was dark skin. And I do believe that he was a good man. So this is what caused me to lash out. It's the same reason I'm lashing out to Christian churches. You might disagree with me, fine, but that's how I see it. I'm fighting for honor, I'm sorry. And I made a video before this showing, in my temple and, my experience with Kung Fu and everything. And, I just, the more, you people came, of all the gang suckers, yeah, you people have the best demeanor. You couldn't be mean to me if you wanted to. Because I know you Chinese people too well. You're black Asians, You couldn't be mean, if you wanted to. So, go ahead and try to gang stalk me, man. I'll be laughing. Not because I think you're a pussy. I know you can fight. It's because I know that you're a good person. So go ahead and try to give me a hard time. I'm not moved in the slightest. No offense. And I love y'all, and I'm sorry. And I will go back to talking shit in the future when the new age guys keep pushing me and rubbing me wrong. And that's just how it is. There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing anyone can do about it. As part of the adverse effects of multiculturalism and Roman cults ruling the world, pushing their global transhumanist, transnational, comprador elite fucking agenda, those fucking internationalist dogs, And the Asians who are into finance, they don't want to cross these people. It's bad business, And that's not their philosophy. So at the end of the day, how this all plays out, my brothers, is that black people suffer horribly. We suffer horribly. And so do some Asians, yes. I'm just trying to help you understand where I'm coming from, where when you're the most stigmatized people and you're suffering, and, that's what it is. And I don't blame you for whatever you do. You keep doing what you do, I'm going to keep doing what I do. But never forget, it's not because I'm racist. I'm not racist. I wear Chinese gis and all the time, and I'm from California. I mean, you look at how I dress and around, you understand the symbols of my belief system. And you put it into context and you listen to what I say, you help understand which context it comes from. But they don't want to give me that fair shake. They don't like me because I'm a righteous man of God. And my ancestors, some of them were very good. Some of them were very evil. And they're helping these dogs. There's some there's some snakes in the black community that are helping them. And there's some snakes in all communities that are coming together. And they meet in their snake pits and have repulsive, detestable, sexual immorality is rampant, and it plagues these secret societies, creating a dark cloud over humanity that resonates well with those who are the most evil, and they are nurtured in a way that allows them to rise above the good man in the white man's system, but naturally as the sun, only men of the light temple, regardless of race, can rise. And we must honor the tradition in the beginning. We must honor all the Shaoxi warriors. We must honor the Igbos. We must honor the Egyptians. We must honor even our enemies when we have war with them if there are hawks among them. We are one heart if we are from the light temple. But if we are forced to meet halfway with our deepest adversaries, especially in a way that allows them ultimately to put evil on top of the pyramid, then haven't we all lost? Haven't all of our ancestors been disgraced? Isn't all of this pointless? Thank you.